Hausa lovers, welcome back to Executive Hausa Tutors channel, your number one place for learning Hausa language easily and with fun. Today, we will learn Hausa clothing vocabulary. Let's begin. General word for clothing. Kaya, clothes, kayan sawa, things worn on the body. Tufafi, garments. Traditional men's clothing vocabulary. Babbar riga, flowing robe. Riga, shirt. Wando, trousers. Hula, cap. Rawani, turban. Jallabiya, long robe. Riga mai dogon hannu, long sleeve shirts. Riga mara hannu, sleeveless shirts. Example: wannan babbar riga ce. This is a flowing robe. Ana saka babbar riga a bukukuwa. A babbar riga is worn at ceremonies. Riga ana sa ta a ƙasan babbar riga. The riga is worn under the flowing robe. Namiji yana saka hula a kai. A man wears a cap on his head. Now, traditional women's clothing. Zani, wrapper, riga, blouse, gele, veil, mayafi, also veil, ɗankwali, headscarf, hijabi, hijab. Examples: hijabi tufafi ne na rufe jiki. Hijab is clothing used to cover the body modestly. Gele yana rufe kai. Veil covers the head. Rigar mata tana da launi mai kyau. Women's blouse is colorful. Now, modern clothing. Skirt, skirt. Dogon wando, long trouser. Gajeren wando, shirts. Riga ta zamani, modern shirt. Tufafin barci, sleepwear. Rigar aiki, work clothes. Footwears, takalmi, shoe. Takalmin roba, slippers. Takalmin fata, leather shoes. Sandals. Safa, socks. Examples: ana saka safa a ƙafa. Socks are worn on the feet. Takalmin yayi tsada. The shoe is expensive. Now, accessories. Agogo, watch, zobe, ring, sarƙa, necklace, ɗan kunne, earring, ‘yan kunne, earrings. Special clothing and items. Tufafin sallah, prayer clothes or Eid clothing. Tufafin biki, ceremony clothes. Tufafin aure, wedding clothes. Riga mai tsada, expensive shirts. Tsohuwar riga, old shirts. Descriptive clothing words. Launi, color. Tsafta, cleanliness. Ƙazanta, dirtiness. Kyau, beauty. Babba, big. Ƙanana, small or littles. Extra useful words. Ado, decoration, kwalliya, make-up, ɗinki, sewing, tailor, tailor, salo, style. Let's go over some of these words once again and slowly. Kaya, clothes, rawani, turban, hula, cap, mayafi, veil, ɗankwali, headscarf, takalmi, shoe, safa, socks, agogo, watch, zobe, ring, 'yan kunne, earrings, sarƙa, necklace, takalmin fata, leather shoe. Now a cultural note. In Hausa culture, clothing is not just for covering the body. It shows respect, social status, religion, and occasion. Wearing clean clothes is very important. A person who dresses neatly is seen as a well-raised person. Babbar riga is a symbol of respect, dignity, and leadership. It is commonly worn by elders, religious leaders, emirs, and traditional rulers. Hijab is influenced by Islamic culture. It emphasizes modesty and privacy. Many Hausa women wear hijab daily, especially in public places. Traditional clothes connect people to their history. With this, we have come to the end of our lesson. Let me know in the comment section what you would like me to teach you next. Thanks for joining us. Remember, learning Hausa language is fun. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. If you need any private Hausa lesson or any other Hausa services, please reach out to Executive Hausa Tutors page directly. See you next time. Bye-bye. Sai anjima.